Here's a video of Jason and Emma learning to lockpick the bathroom door that someone locked and shut it behind them. Nothing like teaching our 3-year-olds some lockpicking skills.
Let's put the flat one in first. This is the tension wrench. It's in. Slight tension. Okay, now pick. Put away. Tumblers. We have to touch this. The top of this. There are 5 tumblers. Each one has to be repositioned. You can rake it. Rake the tumblers. Wait, just push it in, and rake it. Okay, now jiggle. Wait, you gotta put it in first. Wait. You jiggle. Almost. Doing it. Shh, don't wake up the people inside.
Yeah, right. I figure she might as well